How to customize predictive text suggestions on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to turn word and phrase predictions on or off while typing. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on General Management from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings to open the keyboard options. At this point, tap on Predictive Text to open its settings. In the next step, turn on the toggle next to Predictive Text to enable word suggestions as you type. Following this, turn off the same toggle if you'd rather type without any suggestions showing up. Once done, close Settings once your preference is set. Keep in mind, turning this off also removes the suggestion bar above your keyboard, so you'll be typing without any autocomplete options. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn Predictive Text back on again or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize predictive app suggestions on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.